Testing the steps you've taken in previous chapters, such as designing your call to actions, positioning your images, writing compelling copy, is super important. In this chapter, you will learn what type of testing techniques you have at your disposal and how to set it up based on your business needs. By the end of this chapter, you'll be more familiar with different types of testing and iteration methods and find out what works best for you. The principles of testing and iteration will be familiar to those with experience in agile software development. The principle is simple. Instead of running projects as a linear progression handed off between specialists, they are run as a cycle of prototyping and solution, testing that solution and improving on it based on feedback from testing. It's an approach favored heavily for the optimization and conversion rates on e-commerce websites because it allows for improvements based on data rather than the opinion of internal stakeholders. When you first engage with an e-commerce website, there will be obvious improvements that can be made to the site in order to increase its conversion rate. However, the point will come when these immediate changes have been addressed. At this point, a more analytical scientific approach is required to pinpoint areas of weakness and improve on them. Most e-commerce retailers use testing to identify these failures in their website and then experiment to explore possible solutions. These prototypes can then in turn be tested to validate their business effectiveness. We often want a fixed cost for a fixed deliverable, and it can be challenging to have an idea of a design that evolves over time or a solution that emerges through multiple rounds of prototyping and testing. Employing an agile process has the benefits of an approach of iteration, reducing the likelihood of building the wrong thing.